Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, this is Marissa. So I have been playing and trying to sketch something here. And so it's kind of messed up how I sketched it, but I think I want to go ahead and do this and what I have it planned in my head. And I'm going to use this kit from Echo Park. This is an older kit, Old World Traveler. And out of this kit, I pulled out the papers already. So this is the base paper I plan to use. This will be that big strip of paper right there. I'm planning to cut it to 5 by 10, but I may change my mind and make it to 5 by 11. And then I have two strips right here that I'm going to run in the middle of this paper here. And then across, I plan to also have another paper here. I want to work with three photos. So 2 4 by 6s and 1 4 by 4. And hold on. These two are the papers I want to use that go vertically. And this here, starting from here up, will be the horizontal paper that I'm going to use. So let's see how I can work this out. This I'm thinking this would be my layout for I'm still working on our London trip or our Europe trip, and this is going to be the train ride that my husband and I took from London to Paris. So let's see how this works. These strips, by the way, are normally 1/2 inch, so I'm just gonna cut them down. This is about a 2-inch strip. You see this white strip here? Don't worry about it when I tack it down, and if it goes over the 12 by 12, I'll just snip it. I like inking, even if they're dark papers, only because I want to be able to have them separated from each other, because the inking creates a darker line around the cuts that we have made. So that's what I normally like to do, is to go ahead and ink my edges. So after a while, when you do this, it actually eats up the pad because it's just foam. So that's normal. I want this to go here, like so. And I'm thinking this will go on this side. Oh, it looks like we do have to snip this a bit. And then this has to go on this side. So this cuts here are, so this is 12 by 12, this is 5 by 11. These two are cut 1.5 by 12, but I want to separate them this way. So, and then across, this is approximately 2-inch by 12. So this is how I envision this layout to go. Let me get my templates here. So just photo placers. So one of the photos will go up here, and the other two will go here, and then the 4 by 4 will go here. And then you still have space for journaling here. Hold on. Or journaling right here. Actually, what I plan to do is put the train ride here, and then that way we could just go ahead and journal over here. Or maybe I can even scoot the train ride, and then we can even do the journaling over here. So yeah, that's how I plan to do it. So Let's stack this down. I think I like this. I do like this layout. I'm okay with this layout. Very simple. I'm a very simple scrapper, guys. Go ahead and tack this down.
So I kind of want it to go this way. Kind of eyeball the space between up there and down here.
So we're gonna go for the trains here. Put some glue over here. It's okay, it's gonna get covered by the picture. Hopefully. Okay, so tacking this down. Let me move this on the side so I can see it from this side. So I want it over here. There, I have to snip a bit over there. Because remember that white line?
That's bothering me. That's gonna bother me. So I have to snip that little thing out.
That's gonna bother me. I have to take this out. Hold on. See how it's lifting off using the eraser? As long as it's a soft eraser, it will lift. The adhesive will lift.
You can have it off. Okay, no more.
Alright, so let's continue. Okay, so we're gonna go put this strip on across this way. Easy layout, huh? We're almost done. I just okay, so some of you have asked me how come I don't totally finish the layout. Well, the reason for that is I like sometimes I just create the layouts here in YouTube and I really don't have pictures for them yet. So I normally would wait until I have the pictures ready. But for this, I already know what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and put a title on it. I'm planning to use this thickers. You can tell I've already, it's well loved. I've been using this quite a bit. So this is the thickers. It's called Marquise, Marquise. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And what I did, because these are bigger letters, I scooted down these photos a bit. And then I'm gonna put train over there and write down here. And then I will go ahead and put my journaling down here. So that's what I plan to do with this. And I will be right back to show you my trick on how to put down letters straight. One of the things that I do with thickers is I go ahead and find something straight. In this case, I always try to improvise, guys. So like this is the straight one, right? So I align the plastic here and then start spelling train. And the reason for this is so, you know, it's gonna be straight when I lay it down. So I'm making sure that the top of the plastic up here is aligned with this blue strip here on the top of the blue strip. And then I align the letters down here at the bottom of this blue. And the spacing is up to you how you want to space this. So I'm not moving this for now, so I know where it goes. So I can put train over here and then right at the bottom, and I can center that. So one thing that I do with this is with the thickers is I know they're already sticky, but I still add on glue, and that way I know that they're not gonna fall off, because I've had layouts where the thickers actually fell off and it wasn't fun for me. I just, you know, that I had to redo the things. So it's okay with me that the sticky is only on the top because at least it's stuck halfway. So I'm gonna scoot this down a bit so I can see this better. So I can center it from the remaining space here. Okay, and then right now I'm going to wait until it dries a bit to where I can already pull the plastic out. Or one thing that I do too is hold it on the top and start pulling the plastic down. That way your letters will stay where you want them. So I pull this down a bit, make sure that it's down, then I move on. This is per letter. And this is how I do it because this is what I've tested for myself over the years that I'm scrapbooking works for me. Okay, so train, and now we go back to do ride.
Get our glue again, make sure that this is glued down.
Okay, I'm happy with that. So let's put back our pictures.
Where we have them. I think I'm gonna do it that way. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so guys, I finished the train ride layout. I hope you enjoyed watching me work with it. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. And yeah, if you are looking for Kiwi Lane products, I have my link down below for my Kiwi Lane website. So again, thanks for watching, and yeah, please subscribe so I can create more layouts for you guys. That's it, folks. I'll catch you later. Bye.